Now we will see the last non-zero digit logic. Last non-zero digit, and then we will see last non-zero digit. Last non-zero digit concept. Please write down concept. 520. This is a 0. Last non-zero digit is nothing but 2. Last non-zero digit is nothing but 2. 173800. Move from right to left. Move from right to left. Move from right to left. The first non-zero digit. It is nothing but 8. It is nothing but 8. 191 4 zeros. Last non-zero digit is nothing but 1. Last non-zero digit. When you are moving from right to left, when you are moving from right to left, the first non-zero digit that you encounter, the first non-zero digit that you encounter, find the last non-zero digit for easy examples. Find the first non-zero digit for 2 square into 5 cube. 2 square into 5 cube. This is nothing but 5 power 1 into 2 square into 5 square. This is nothing but 5 into 10 square is 2 zeros. 500. Last non-zero digit is nothing but 5. Last non-zero digit is nothing but 5. 2 power 13 into 5 power 8. 2 power 13 into 5 power 8. This is nothing but, if I write it, 2 power 8 into 5 power 8 into 2 power 5. 2 power 5 unit digit is 2 because the value is 32. 2 power 5 is 32. 2 into 5, 10 power 8. There are 8 zeros. There are 8 zeros. 2 power 5 is 32. Last non-zero digit is 2. Last non-zero digit is 2. I hope the idea is clear. Take all the zeros and try to do. First we will discuss the traditional method, then we will discuss the optimal method. Right? Then we will discuss the next level of concept. Find the last non-zero digit. Find the last non-zero digit for 10 factorial. Traditional method. Traditional method. Then I will tell you ANIL NAIR's method. ANIL NAIR's method. 10 factorial. I want the last non-zero digit. First one. It is 10 factorial is nothing but from 1 to 10. What are all the prime bases? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. 10. What is the highest power of 2 in 10? 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. Next one for 10, 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Again it is 5 2s are 10. 5 square. 7 it is 7 1s are 7. 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 into 5 square into 7 power 1. Now what we will do is, this is nothing but n is 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 into 5 square into 7 power 1. All zeros will keep it aside. This is nothing but 2 square into 2 power square into 5 square into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 into 7 power 1. 2 into 5, 10 square, 2 zeros will come. 2 power 6. Find the unit digits for all this. Find the unit digits for all this. These is nothing but 2 power 6 is 64. 3 power 4 is 81 into 7. 4 7s are 28. Unit digit for this number is, for 10 factorial it is nothing but 8. For 10 factorial it is nothing but 8. Right? What if instead of 10 factorial it is, instead of 10 factorial it is 120 factorial? Will you write all the prime numbers from 1 to 120 and do this factorization method? Very, very long method. Very, very long method. Very, very long method. Now see here. Method 2. Please write down. ANIL NAIR's method. I want to remove last non-zero digit. 0 is formed in factorial from highest power of 5. If n factorial is the n, take n, convert it into 5a plus b form. Why 5a plus b? Number of zeros at the end is formed by, right, highest power of 5. Write this number as 2 power a into a factorial into b factorial. 2 power a into a factorial into b factorial. Use it recursively. Use it repeatedly. Use it repeatedly or recursively. Use it repeatedly or recursively. For example, 10 factorial is there. Take 10. 5 2s are 10. It is 0. 5 2s are 10. So 10 factorial is nothing but 5 into 2 plus 0. So answer is 2 power 2 into 2 factorial into 0 factorial. 4 into 2 into 1. Answer is 8. 5 seconds approach. 5 seconds approach. Please write down it as 5a plus b. 2 power a into a factorial into b factorial. Let me take some previous year examination questions also, so that it will be clear to you. Idea clear? Take n, convert it into 5a plus b form. So the number of last non-zero digit is given by the logic 2 power a into a factorial into b factorial. Find the unit digit for this number. Find the unit digit for this number. Convert it into 5a plus b form. Answer is 2 power a into a factorial into b factorial. Right? Now, few more examples. Please take it. Examples. Find the last non-zero digit for. Find the last non-zero digit for. First one, 50 factorial. 50 factorial. With a little bit of practice, you can do it orally. Use it recursively. 5 10s are 50, remainder 0. 5 2s are 10, remainder 0. 5 zeros are 0, remainder 2. Go on till 0. Add all these coefficients. So these is nothing but, what is that logic? 2 power a into a factorial into b factorial. 10 plus 2, it is 12. Next it is nothing but, apply factorial for all these numbers. These are all, right? 2 power factorial into 0 factorial into 0 factorial into a is nothing but 12 factorial. 12 factorial, or we already got it. Okay, what am I doing? I'll explain it clearly to you so that you will understand it. Then I will come to this point. These is nothing but method 1. 50 is nothing but 5 into 10 plus 0. So these is nothing but 2 power 10 into 10 factorial into 0 factorial. Again 10 is nothing but 5 into 2 plus 0. So these is nothing but 2 power 10 is 2 square into 2 factorial into 0 factorial. I hope it is clear. 2 power 12 into 2 factorial into 0 factorial. That is what I did it. What is 10 plus 2? 12. What is 2 factorial? 2 factorial is apply factorial for all these numbers. 0 factorial into 0 factorial into 2 factorial. Or you can keep on applying it recursively. 2 power 12, it is nothing but 2 power 10 into 2 square. These 24, 2 power 10 is 1024 into 4, which is nothing but 96 into 2. Answer is nothing but 192, which is 2. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. What you do is just sum it up all the quotients, sir. 10 plus 2 is 2 power 2 factorial. 2 power 2 factorial, or do it recursively. Anywhere you will get the answer. Anywhere you will get the answer. I hope the idea is clear. Next B. One more question which we will solve. Then I will tell you. 28 factorial. Method 1. Method 1. No powers, nothing. 28 is 5 into 5 plus 3. These of the form 5a plus b. So answer is 2 power a into a factorial into b factorial. 2 power 5 into 5 factorial into 3 factorial. 5 again 5. 5 is nothing but 5 into 1 plus 0. These is nothing but 2 power 5 into 2 power 1 into 1 factorial into 0 factorial into 3 factorial. These is nothing but 2 power 6 into 1 factorial into 3 factorial into 0 factorial. You don't need to do all this. That is what I was trying to tell you using this. 28 divide by 5. 5 5s are 25, remainder 3. 5 1s are 5, remainder 0. So 5 zeros are 0, remainder 1. Add all this. What is 5 plus 1 plus 0? It is 2 power 6. Apply factorial for all the numbers. That is exactly what we got. I hope you are all there with me. One is a horizontal approach, one is a vertical approach. Both are same. Both are same. 5a plus b approach only. Method 2, I did it like this. I did it like this. Method 1, I went 1 by 1 down. 5 into 5 plus 3. Again for 5, I did 5 into 1 plus 3. I did it one horizontally and I did one thing vertically. Both will give you the same answer. Both will give you the same answer. 5 1s are 5 0. 5 zeros are 0. Remainder 1. 2 power 6 is 64. 3 factorial is 6. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Unit digit is 4. Please, now we will solve some. Find the last non-zero digits for 2 more examples. Find the last non-zero digits for 143 factorial and 2000 factorial. 2000 factorial. So it is nothing but 2000 divided by 5. 5 400s are 2000 0. 5 80s are 400 0. 5 16s are 80 0. 5 3s are 15 1. 5 zeros are 0. It is 1. These are nothing but 2 power 18 96 199. 2 power 499 into 0 factorial into 0 factorial into into 0 factorial. I hope it is clear. Into how much it is? 50 into 1 factorial. Anyway, all these are not required. Only 3 factorial is required. 3 factorial is required. So 2 power 419 9 plus 3. A power 4k plus 3. Unit digit is always a cube. A power 4k plus 3. Unit digit is always a cube. 4 into 420, 4 into 24 plus 3. 8 into 6. 8 6 are 48. Unit digit is 8. I hope you enjoyed the shortcut. It is nothing but write 2 power a into a factorial into b factorial. 143. 5 28s are 143. 5 5s are 25. 3. 5 1s are 5. It is 0. 5 zeros are 0 1. So these is nothing but 2 power 34 into 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial. 2 power 34 unit digit is 4. 4 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 4s are 24. Unit digit is 4. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if the idea is clear. Is the idea clear? Kindly reply. Please reply in the live chat if the idea is clear. Is the idea clear? Kindly reply. Everybody. Then we will do last non-zero digits. Take your own numbers. Take your own numbers and try to do. Take your own numbers and try to do. Suppose if the question is 37 factorial last non-zero digit. 37 factorial last non-zero digit. Just within 10 seconds you can say 5 7s are 35, remainder 2. 5 1s are 5, remainder 2. 5 zeros are 0, remainder 1. It is nothing but 2 power 8 into 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 1 factorial. It is 6 into 2 into 2 into 1. Unit digit is 4. Unit digit is, it is 4. Right? Last non-zero digit. Now you can solve all these questions. 10 is nothing but 5 2s are 10. So answer is 2 power 2 into. Find the last non-zero digit. From here it is 10 is 5 into 2 plus 0, which is nothing but 2 square into 2 factorial into 0 factorial. 2 square into 2 factorial, 5 zeros are 0. So it is nothing but 2 square into 0 factorial into 2 factorial. Next one, these also out. Next one, these also out. All these you can do orally, sir. 5 10s are 50, 0. 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 zeros are 0, remainder 2. So 2 power 12 into 0 factorial into 0 factorial into 2 factorial. 5 5s are 25, remainder 3. 5 1s are 5, 0 1. 5 zeros are 0 1. It is nothing but 2 power 6 into 3 factorial into 0 factorial into 1 factorial unit digit. I hope the idea is clear. 143, we did it. 2000, we did it. Now, find the last two non-zero digits. Concept, please write down, sir. I hope all the previous year questions that we have taken, 143 factorial we have taken and 2000 factorial also we took it. Idea is clear, right? Now comes the most complicated one. Please write down. Find the last two non-zero digits of 10 factorial. Method 1, traditional method. Traditional method. See here, sir. This is a very cumbersome method. This is something which I learned from Wikipedia. 10 factorial is nothing but 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 into 5 square into 7 power 1. This is nothing but 2 square into 5 square into 2 power 6 into 3 power 4 into 7 power 1. 2 square into 5 square, it is 2 zeros. 2 power 6 is 64. 3 power 4 is 81. 7 power 1 is 28. 4 sevens are right. Now see here. It is 64. It is 81. Right? 64 into 81 into 7. 64 into 81 sevens are 7 ones are 7. 8 sevens are 56. 64 into 67. Already in multiplication we did it. If the base is closer to multiple of 10, 64 and 7. Answer is 71 into 60 plus 28, which is nothing but 4260 plus 28. Last two digits are nothing but 88. Previous case we did only the unit digit. Now we require last two. So 2 power 6 is 64. 3 power 4 is 81 into C. 64 into 81 into C. 7. So 64 into 81 into 7 is 67. 64 into 67. General multiplication last two digits is 88. Last two digits is 88. Now see here. Now see here. Listen carefully to this question. Then I will come back to this question. Find the last two non-zero digits of 90 factorial, because that question there could be a small point which you will miss. Suppose if you are ANIL NAIR students, how you should solve it is, anyway it should be divided by 5 because it is in factorial. 5 18s are 90, remainder 0. 5 3s are 15, remainder 3. 5 zeros are 0, remainder 3. Now what you will do is, it is nothing but add all these values. What is 18 plus 3? 21. It should be 12 power 21. 12 power, this is nothing but the sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients. 12 power 21 into. Now see here, listen carefully sir. 5 3s are 15, remainder is 3. Remainder is 3. Go to the previous number. Write down 3 consecutive numbers starting from 18. 16, 17, 18. Again it is 3. Go back to the previous number. Starting from 3. Write down 3 consecutive numbers. 16 into 17 into 18. There is a big proof for it. It will take 15-20 minutes to explain the proof. I am not discussing the proof. So these is nothing but 12 power 21. 12 power 21. 16 into 6, which is 96, into 17 into 18. 17, 18 7s are 126, which is 17 into 18, base is 20, minus 3 minus 2, 15 into 20 plus 6, 306, which is 06. Now 12 into 12 power 21. When I am explaining a question, Rahul, please don't disturb me. Right? 12 power 21 into, now see here, the 16 into 6, 96 into 06. 12 power 21. You remember this logic? A 2 power 20k. Last two digits is nothing but 76, which is 12 power 20 into 12 power 1 into 96 into 6, which is 76. 12 power 20, it is 76 into 76 into 12. 76 power any natural number, it is 76. 76 into 12. 12 6 are 72. 12 sevens are 84 plus 7, 91. What is the answer for this question? 12. I hope it is clear. Now only thing what you should know in these last two non-zero digits is 5 18s are 90, 0. 5 3s are 15, 3. 5 zeros are 0, remainder 3. Add all this. 18 plus 3 is 21. Apply it to the power 12. You can type last two non-zero digits in Wikipedia. You can see the proof for it. Proof is very, very long. 12 power 21. This is 3. 3 we got because of dividing 18 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15, remainder 3. So from 18, write 3 consecutive numbers from 18. 5 zeros are 0, it is 3. 3 means from 3, write down 3 consecutive numbers in serial order. 12 power 21, 16 6 are 96, 17 into 18, which is 06. A2 power 20k, last two digits is nothing but 76. 12 power 20 into 12 power 1, right? 96 6 are 576. 12 power 20 is 76. 76 into 76 into 12. 76 into 76 is 76 into 12. Answer is 912. So answer for this question is 12. Otherwise this will take 3 to 7 minutes to solve the question. 2 or 3 problems we will solve it, then we will see. Right? I hope it is clear. That is a different logic. Last two non-zero digits is 250. That is also another logic. Last two non-zero digits will be 25. Last two non-zero digits is 25. Yes, Rahul, I think I might have taken a calculation mistake. It is 1730. Last two non-zero digits will be 73. Last two non-zero digits will be 73. Maybe I took the right last digit ending with 2 zeros. 2 into 5 cube, which is 250. Last two non-zero digits is 25. I was discussing. I hope it is clear, right? After 0, last two digits. 25 1730. 1730. Next one. I hope this idea is clear. Now let us solve this question. 32 factorial. 32 factorial is nothing but 5 6 are 30, remainder 2. 5 1s are 5, remainder 1. 5 zeros are 0, remainder 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. This is nothing but 32 power 6 plus 1 is nothing but 12 we have to write. So this will become 32. 5 6 are 30, remainder 2. 5 1s are 5, 1. 5 zeros are 0, it is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 12 plus 1 is, this is the remainder 2 from this number. From this write down 2 consecutive. 1 write down as it is. Again here it is 1, write down as it is. 12 power 7 into, write 32 power into 31 into 6. These are nothing but 6. These are nothing but 32. Ones are 32. 96, 97 into 12 power 7. 12 power 7. 12 power 7. How will you solve 12 power 7 last two digits? Already we discussed it. 2 square into 3 power 7 into 72 into 6, which is nothing but 432. These are nothing but 2 power 14 into 3 power 7 into 32, which is nothing but 2 power 10 into 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 3 into 32. 1024, 24 into 16. 24 into 16 is minus 16. Minus 16 is 84. 3 power 4 is 81. 81 into 27 into 32. Try to do the calculation, you will get the answer. I hope till here it is clear. Then it is calculation. Then it is calculation. Only thing, two things you should know, otherwise it will become difficult. 6 plus 1 is 7. 12 power sum of the values. 2 means go to the previous number, write down two consecutive numbers. 1, write down the same number. 1, write down the same number. 12 power 7 into 72 into 06. Or in case if you are finding this method to be difficult, write down till here. 12 power 7 into 72 into 31, 36 into 186. What is the final answer that we got? This we got it as 12 power 7 into 01 into 06 into 31 into 32. 12 power 7 into 6 31s are 186. 86 into 32. 12 power 7 into 32 6 are 192. 32 8s are 256. It is nothing but 52. 01 into 06. 31 6 are 186. 32. 32 6 are 192. 256. 256 is 275. Unit digit is 5. 12 power 7 into 52. How to find out the last two digits of 12 power 7? Last two digits of 12 power 7 is nothing but remainder when you divide this number by 100. Divide this number by 100. These is nothing but 100 is nothing but 4 into 25. So I think if you solve this question, probably you should get the answer 16. Please check it out, sir. Next question. Please write down. Find the last two non-zero digits of 187 factorial. So 187 is nothing but 535 7s are 185, remainder 2. 5 7s are 35, remainder 2. 5 1s are 5, remainder 2. These are nothing but 12 power 45. 2 means we have to write 187 into 186. 5 means we have to write 5 7s are 35, it is 2. Again it is 37 into 36. Right? 5 1s are 5. Again it is 2. I hope it will 5 7s are 185, remainder 2. 5 7s are 35, remainder 2. 5 1s are 5. I hope it is clear, right? So 37 plus 7 plus 1, 12 power 45. Next what we have to write? 2 means 6 into 7. It is 12 power 45 into, little bit of calculation is required, 87 into 86, 37 into 36, 6 7s are 42. Till here it is clear, right? 2 power 20k, last two digits is 76. If I use the logic, these is nothing but 12 power 40 into 12 power 5. 87 into 86. 87 divided by 100 minus 13 minus 14. 13 14s are 14 3s are 42, which is nothing but 82. 37 into 36. 37 into 36 minus 13 minus 14, which is nothing but 23 into minus 3 and minus 4. 23 into, right? 23 into 37 into 36, right? Let us take here. Calculation, I eliminated it. Okay, 187, 537. Please understand the idea, sir. Rest everything calculation you please take care. Whatever I am telling you, please understand the idea. 5 1s are 5, remainder 2. So these are nothing but 12 power 45 into 2 means 186 into 187. 3 means 37 into 36. 2 is nothing but 6 into 7. These are nothing but 76 into 12 power 5. These are nothing but 86 into 87 minus 14 into minus 13, which is 82. This is nothing but 37 into 36 minus 3 minus 4. 33 into 40 plus 12. Write 1 3. It is nothing but 32 into 42. Into 42. Whatever the answer that you get it, that itself is the answer. I hope the logic is clear. These 90, 5 18s are 90, remainder 0. 5 3s are 15, remainder 3. 5 zeros are 0, it is 3. It is 3. So answer is nothing but 12 power 18 plus 3 21 into 3. 18 into 17 into 16. Again it is 3. 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1. These are nothing but 12 power 20 into 12 power 1. It is nothing but 6 into 18 6 are 18 17 8s are 136. These 0 6 into 16. 12 power 20, it is 76. These are nothing but 16 6 are 96. 96 into 12 into 6. Now if you see here, now 76, 12 6 are 72. 96 can be written as minus 4 into 72. Minus 4 is written as minus 304 into 72. These are written as minus 88. 100 minus 88 is 12. 100 minus 88 is 12. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. From where you got 3 into 4 into 5? Where it is 3 into 4 into 5? Starting from 3, I have to go back 3 numbers. 3 into 2 into 1. Starting from 18, we have to go back 3 numbers. 18 into 17 into 16. This logic, please type it in Google. Spend 1 day. Try to see where this shortcut is present. Right? 6 hours of hard work, you are just listening it in 5 minutes of time. Next one. I hope the idea is clear. Now we can solve. Last 2 non-zero digits. 5 2s are 10, remainder 0. 5 zeros are 0, remainder 2. So answer is 12 power 2 into. I have to write from 2 numbers back. 12 power 2 into 2. 12 square is 144. 44 into 2, 88. Last 2 non-zero digits for this number is nothing but 44 into 2. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear. Idea is clear. Kindly reply everybody, sir. Kindly reply everybody. Next one. Try to solve 1 or 2 questions, sir, so that, right? I hope it is clear. Everybody, create your own questions, sir. If it is last 2 non-zero digits for 2000 factorial, try to solve. 2000 is nothing but 5 400s are 0, 5 80s are 0, 5 16s are 0, 5 3s are 15 1, 5 zeros are 0. These are nothing but 12 power 499 into 1. 1 means only one number we have to write. 3 means 1 into 2 into 3. These again nothing but 12 power 400 into 12 power 99 into 16, 6 are 96. These 76 into 96 into, find the last two digits for